You've guessed it, Ryan's doing a Jade, which my so-called brother bought me. It's a Portulacaria Afra. Before the comments start, you all know I hate the house. The little smug plants. This one here is just sitting there like it pays the council tax. It needs a good prune in a repot, and I'll show you what to do with the cuttings. I'm keeping this plant inside on the windowsill, and I'm going to look at it every day. I'm going to stick it in a nice Tony Remington pot. I'm not getting soft on the plant. It's just I want something nice to look at instead of the shitty blue Chinese thing. So we'll be putting it into this pot. Look at it, man. It's a bit long, leggy, wild. It's like me on a Saturday night. Some of the branches are coming straight up, crisscrossing, and basically they're just pure chaos. So I'm gonna get it repotted, then we'll come in, I'll give it the angle I want, come in and take off what I don't want. This is the only time it's been a hostage. This is the one-time hostage, this. So I hope you enjoy it. Mr. Crabcatcher, haven't seen him for a bit. I don't like this cocoa bark to put it in. It's just been breaking away on the roadside. Jade. I haven't got the root rake, I'm just using a chopstick because I don't really want to tear the roots on it. I don't know why. The Jade's a succulent, it's not a bonsai tree. Not all good to train to look like one, so it's a Chinese copy of. The root system's all crap on that. It's the gift I never wanted. Cheers, brother. Nah, I wanted you on. Oh, look at that, snapped off. What a pig. I'm not going for Neymar. I was going to stick that in that pot. Jades are good for beginners because you don't have to water them too much. You can just water them once and forget about them for weeks. And if you want to propagate cuttings, you can stick them in soil and away they go, let them dry out for about a week. And I'll show you what I do with them later on in the video with the cuttings. So as you can see, all these drainage screens and wires in. It's a waste of a good pot this way, but never mind. Just pumice, acadava, lava rock. Very coarse, free draining. Because Jades live on the water in the leaves, so that's why you don't have to water them much, and they like a free drain soil. They don't like wet roots, same as me. I don't like wet feet. Got it. So I think I found the front and the handle. Leave it in the middle of the pot now. What the hell am I doing here? Must be fucking nuts. I sort of, that'll do. Well prepared again, folks. I'm just going to tighten it the best I can to the angle I want. Gone the wrong way, you stupid twat. There, that'll do. Be dead in a month. Get in there. Get in. That's better, eh? It's not exactly in the middle of the pot. Look in the middle of the pot if I stick it that way, so that would do. I'm not really puffed about it. I've got to show it some love and care because it was bought for us, so I've got to look like I'm really, really trying. Don't I? Right, I'm going to give it a good drink, then we'll come in and prune off and we'll make some cuttings. Okay, it's been in the pot a day or two now. I'm going to come in and take off what I really don't want. So, I'm going to take that off first. I don't want that. I was going to leave some little stubs so it can die back now. Oh, what the fun on that. So the first one I'm taking off. That. Second one. I don't want to cut back to there. I'm going about there. So I'm opening up the trunk line. I don't like that. Okay, this is a back branch, but I want to get shot at that one. Okay, that is the first. I don't like that. I mean, now left. Gonna be nothing left. That over there. Oh dear. That might be too thick for that, but we'll see how that grows. And you know what? Ta-da, folks. There's me movement. Have a nice little small jade. I'll let them die back and take it off like that one. So there we have it. So there we go, one butchered jade. It didn't even scream. I might have, but I couldn't hear the bugger. What I've done is I've opened up the structure of the tree now. I still didn't like that. Like, we'll get new shoots coming out. This could be a nice thick first branch. I'm starting with the trunk. Everything will grow, and I'll go on from there if I can keep it alive. As for the cuttings, they're nice and easy. Annoyingly, with jades, every cutting can become a new plant. So instead of one jade-ish thing, you have about 12 dozen. That's how infestation starts. That's Scott. And it's not happening there. No, but if you are going to do a cutting, you can let them dry off for a few days and stick it in soil. Or you can cut loads off between the nodes and start getting loads and loads of jades. Everyone will take. That's how it's ideal for beginners, because less watering. You want to try and create a cutting. Just stick the hoe in some soil. So I'm going to repot these up now. So this is the pot. One's enough. I'm not getting riddled with them. Ta-da! So thanks to my so-called mate Scott for the burden. Cheers, buddy. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, because I didn't think I would ever do another one of these. But that's it for this video. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ta-da, folks.